Introducing the 20 volts Cordless Lawn Mower, a powerful multi-tool designed to make lawn maintenance a breeze. With a cutting diameter of 250 millimeters and a cutting angle range of 0 to 60, this trimmer provides the precision and flexibility to handle any trimming or edging task with ease. This lawn mower comes with a telescopic tube that extends from 890 millimeters to 1,210 millimeters, ensuring comfortable operation for users of all heights. The adjustable assist handle with 3 positions provides extra control and stability, allowing you to maneuver the trimmer with ease. The soft handle further improves comfort during prolonged use, reducing hand and arm fatigue and stress. In addition to its trimming capabilities, this cordless lawn trimmer also features edge cutting capabilities, allowing you to achieve a clean, polished look along pathways, flower beds, and other landscape features. The 12 blades ensure efficient and precise cutting, while the 20 volts battery provides 55 minutes of no-load running time, providing you with enough power to complete your pruning tasks without interruption. Its adjustable features, edge trimming capabilities, and long-lasting battery make it a reliable and efficient tool for all your lawn mowing needs. Say goodbye to tangled cords and fumes, and say hello to a cleaner, greener way to mow your lawn.
Find Supply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform